Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 11 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. One of this is the straighten button here, so by just one tap we can turn on our leveler. Another tap to turn it off. As you can see, the yellow color suggests us that now this is turned on, and here in the camera preview at the center it appears. This is useful when we want to keep our photographic topic straight at the picture or keep our device steady. As you can see, when this line is at yellow color, it shows us that now we have the straight camera, and like that, using this we can check it. And of course, when we don't need it, we can tap to the right corner once again, tap to the straighten to turn it off. So for now the leveler has gone here. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.